Hey guys, what machine is this?
The Ry10 Elite.
And what does it do?
Seals cracks.
Seals cracks, that's right. Prevents water from getting in and causing potholes and depressions and costly repairs that are unsafe. We've got the Rhino lift handles. You've got the Rhino valve, so it closes the valve on the inside rather than on the outside. If you remember the old melters, you used to have to use a torch to heat that up to make the flow. Well, you don't have to worry about that anymore. You've got four-wheel construction for stability. You've got all of your adjustable shafts for your valving system as well as your shoe. You've also got an electronic display, which is super cool to show you. Oh, careful. And then there you go. And so you also have igniter right here. Goal is to be in the operating position as much as you can. Agitation on the fly. Bling bling bar handles. Enclosed burner system right here in the back so that you're able to not have any flame outs. And man, oh man, this machine is the Ry10 Elite. Ready to rock and roll. That's our outdoor temperature right now. No propane tank on here right now because we're not going out just yet, but you can make $1 a linear foot with this machine. 7,000 linear feet you could lay in a day. 7,000 in revenue. Your cost is 14 cents a linear foot, more or less. It's about $980 in material cost to make 7 grand. Of course, labor and any other costs associated with the project, but this machine is a moneymaker for anybody looking to seal cracks at walking speed with the most advanced push melter in the market. What should they buy? What's it called? What's the machine called?
10Y on the lead.
It's called the Ry10 Elite. Yes, you guys can get it rated Asphalt Kingdom and or at Action Seal if you're in Canada. All right, you ready? You ready to go to work? Ready to go to work, Theo? Let's go.